So Summit Point is a very unique site. It includes firearms training, vehicle training, counterterrorism training, research, development, and testing, and EMS medical training support. And that's just scratching the surface of what we have to offer. We want to be the easy button for all the government contractors, subcontractors, and agencies.
Some of our trainers, they may be training government contractors one day and they're working with high-performance drivers another day. For almost every type of application, be it a motorsports application or a training application, there's a venue here that you can use.
So Summit Point and our business are a very diverse business model with a commercial motorsports aspect to it, a GovCon access to it. And we have people from all over the country and sometimes even the world travel here to train with us.
There are scores of buildings. We have our own repair facility to work on all of our training vehicles. We have our own fire and EMS. We have our own security. So you could imagine from a facilities management standpoint, we're larger than some small towns. So the size of the facility, the scope of the place, it's a challenge.
The site has gone through an acquisition by a major government contractor. It has gone through the pandemic, and then it has gone through a divestment that is now has us as a standalone company.
But there's so much work behind that to keep our little city up and running. So we need to be as customer-focused driven as we can. Where does Summit Point want to go from here? Obviously continued growth. And that requires us to be more strategic in the way we approach things.
We need additional analytics to manage and understand all the different moving parts within our organization so that we could make more calculated, better decisions in the future.
What do our customers want? What are they going to need 5 years down the road?
As a government contractor, it's very, very important that we maintain accurate records across the board that meet all the government standards outlined in the Federal Acquisition Regulation Handbook. So Summit Point has been around 50 years, but we can't rely on the past 50 years. We've got to look to the future. When we went to Unanet, it was like walking out of the dark into the light. We find that Unanet is assisting us to meet those requirements and better prepare us for the future. So from day one, they were interested in getting to understand our very complex business.
We come to them with the challenge and they say, yeah, let's take a look at that. It's a huge help in efficiency. They're truly a partner.
We have an issue, a problem, or even honest feedback. They're open to taking a call, listen to us, not only for strategic things, but for ongoing customer support. Our goal at Summit Point is to be here for another 50 years minimum. And in that process, we need to work smarter, not harder. And Unanet helps us do that.